Welcome back to Finishing Friday. Destroyed Condo. Season 4, Episode 4. Brighten Up Time. So this episode is going to be about changing out the lights and also starting to do some painting prep. Between the painting and the lights were a majority of the work that had to be done as far as after the repair side. So we are past the repairs. We're past getting all the hoarding situation out of there, all the nasty filth. I had to pay someone basically to clean it in stages because I needed to have some of it cleaned ahead of time so I could even go into place. It was so filthy. It was disgusting. So that's the first things first was that now the next step is to give some little bit of show quality. I spent about $1,000 on new lights, and that was a small condo, so it was pretty pricey for those lights. But I think that it turned out very well. And then painting prep, I had a sprayer, I had bought all kinds of different things that, would make the process easier. But that took a long, long time, even with all the prep and all that. So you'll see everything as far as the lights, the before and afters. Well, I'm coming along. We're getting there. Got new appliances, dishwasher, stove, refrigerator. Got my new lighting put in and more fancy lighting over there.